In this video, you'll learn how to issue a partial refund on eBay. This process is essential for managing transactions effectively and ensuring customer satisfaction. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub dashboard, which serves as your control center for managing sales. Look for the orders section that lists all completed and active transactions. Here, locate the specific order that requires a partial refund and click on it. This action will take you to the order details page where you can review payment information and buyer details. Ensuring you have selected the correct order is crucial before moving forward. Next, on the order details page, find and select the option labeled Send Refund. eBay will present you with choices for either a full refund or a partial refund. Choose the partial refund option to proceed. You will need to enter the specific amount you wish to return to the buyer. It is advisable to add a note explaining the reason for the refund, as this can provide clarity for the buyer. Common reasons for partial refunds include minor issues with the item or adjustments related to shipping costs. Take a moment to carefully confirm the refund amount before continuing. After entering the desired refund amount, the next step is to confirm the transaction. This confirmation will initiate the processing of the partial refund. eBay will handle the return of the specified amount through the original payment method used by the buyer. Will receive a notification about the refund in their eBay account. Processing times for refunds may vary based on the payment provider, so keep this in mind if the buyer inquires about the status. Always maintain a record of the refund for your own reference. This documentation can be useful for tracking your transactions and for any potential disputes that may arise. Completing this step ensures that you have finalized the partial refund process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.